it will be my great pleasure to introduce our special guests. Honorable Philip Ruddock, Mayor of Hornsby Shire, the second longest serving parliamentarian in the history of the Australian Parliament, former Minister of Immigration and Multicultural and Indigenous Affairs, and Attorney General. So, welcome. Also, other distinguished guests are Ms. Aleksandra Wysocka, representing Polish Consul General. Mr. Dennis O'Flynn, former long-standing president of Irish National Association of Australasia. Welcome. Ms. Anna Dolotto, representing president of the Federation of Polish Organizations in New South Wales. And of course, our guests from Ireland, two professors, Professor Peter Gray of Queen's University Belfast, and Associate Professor Emily Mark-Fitgerald from University College Dublin. And now to our hosts, Kosciuszko Heritage, I would like to welcome Dr. Ernestyna Skurjat-Kozek. The chief organizer of celebration of the Strzelecki Year in Australia. And as today we celebrate actually the inauguration of the Strzelecki Year in Sydney, we have a little presentation to make. So I will ask Professor Kozek to present Emily Mark-Fitgerald with Strzelecki Medal.
Anna from the president of the New South Wales Federation. Anna will be presenting the medals.
So it will be to Emily, to Professor Emily Mark-Fitgerald with Strzelecki Medal, please. And to Peter Gray with Kosciuszko Bicentennial Medal. And to Mayor Philip Ruddock, also with Kosciuszko Medal, please. It will be our pleasure. Please accept this. Thank you very much.
If you want the photograph, here we are.
And now, over to our guest from Ireland, who will talk about the life and work of Count Strzelecki, Australian explorer and Irish humanitarian. So, please welcome our guests to present the lecture. After the lecture, it will